Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get instantly glowing and also how to get tightened skin at home in 7 days. So let's start how to I make it. At first my ingredients honey. Then I take gram flour, yogurt, and last ingredient is lemon juice. So this is the 4 ingredients to make your skin tighten instantly and get your skin glowing at 7 days. So let's start how to I make it. Friends, I take a mixing bowl and I take a spoons to make all these ingredients gently and properly. So at first I take gram flour 2 tablespoons. You can use this face mask full of your body. Then I take honey 1 tablespoon. If your skin is dry, then take 1 tablespoon of honey, but if your skin is oily, then you can take half tablespoons of honey. For dry skin people, you can eat honey 1 tablespoon for daily. It's a tips of get a moisturizer your skin for dry skin. Then I take lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Take take yogurt 1 tablespoon. If I need more tablespoons of yogurt, then I take later. Now mix it. Mix properly, there's no gram flour clumps in there, and you make a smooth paste to apply your skin gently. Gram flour and yogurt is so much effective ingredients. For this you tighten your skin and acne spots remove. Also you get your skin shining and glowing. Honey is more helpful for dry skin than I told you. Use this face mask before going to your shower. Apply this face mask full of your body or skins that your skin get tightened and remove your suntan problem, and then scrub gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Then leave it to dry. After dry your skin in your face mask, then wet your hands and scrub gently your skin. Then wash it with cold water. Friends, use this face mask 2 times in a week. So friends, this is my super face mask that will tighten your skin at 7 days. This is my video. Friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.